Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com. And if I were to focus only on two social media platforms in my business, I would focus I could only pick two. It would be Pinterest and it would be YouTube. You might ask me why. It's because these are search engines. So when you post something on Facebook, you post something on Instagram, you're scrolling through a feed and typically your content's going to disappear. It's going to be really hard for people to actually search and find you. If you understand search engine optimization and using keywords the right way, that's when you can dominate on YouTube, and that's when you can dominate on Pinterest. So my first YouTube channel has over 300,000, 400,000 views, which is crazy, right? It's because I've used search terms the right way. My Pinterest account has generated 34,000 people visiting my blog every single month, which is crazy. And it brings more people and it keeps working over time. So videos I've posted, things I've done on Pinterest, blog posts I've created, people are searching for that specific term. And then they're finding me because I use the right keywords. Keywords are everything. And if you want to work smarter, not harder, focus on a specific platform that is a search engine like YouTube or Pinterest. Pinterest I prefer. Personally, it's more fun, in my opinion. But if you want to learn how to use Pinterest to get more leads and sales into your business, make sure you sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass. I'll really be breaking everything down for you so you can take action and get results. Go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll talk to you later.